Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos. Signing in. So, how are you all guys? I hope so. You all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am sharing with you a most beautiful and very stunning stone rock painting ideas for you guys. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique pebble stone painting ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these pebble painting ideas. So guys, if you want different other craft videos, then you watch on my channel about different craft work like pebble craft, macrame ideas, stone painting ideas, and so on. These are very pretty and very unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. You guys also paint your rocks like this. These are very beautiful pebble painting ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these stone rock painting ideas. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique stone craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very pretty and very unique stone painting ideas. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very stunning, very unique and very amazing stone rock painting ideas for you guys. You must subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super amazing, super unique, and very creative stone rock painting ideas for you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.